Hello, my dear pharma friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert. So, guys, in this video, we're going to see vacancies from Exemed Pharmaceuticals. So, if you are looking for job opportunities, so freshers or experienced, subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert, and you can also visit our channel Let's Learn Pharma. It's my previous channel, and there are many information that stored there. So go and visit that also. So coming to today's vacancy, granulation operator, six vacancies are there: ITI, DE or DME, 2 to 5 years. Tablet compression operator, number of positions are 10. Qualification ITI same, 2 to 5 years. Tablet coating operator, blister machine operator, alu machine operator, and LMAC 3015 machine. And the next is from the same company. So the officer or senior officer quality control officer, quality assurance, and officer or senior officer production manufacturing, and electrician 3 to 5 years of experience. So if you're interested, you can appear for walk-in along with the latest resume on 22nd 7 2023, 10 to 16 hours, the new Exmed Pharmaceuticals. So they have provided some contact numbers, so check them and utilize the opportunity. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask them. So the contact person name is also mentioned. Thank you.